Here's how to log into Canvas. Once you log into Canvas, you want to go over to Courses, pick Our Course. The first thing you want to do is read this syllabus right here. Read the whole thing closely. There's going to be a syllabus quiz later this week. And then most of the course will take place for you online in the modules. So click on Modules, and you'll see each week you'll have instructions, what the goals are, the required readings. Each week there will be a workshop consisting of 2 parts. One part is writing or research. So for example, in the first week, part 1 is answer these 2 prompts. Introduce yourself by describing yourself in through 5 ways you use technology. That's a paragraph. This is also a paragraph, so we would write 2 paragraphs. And then the discussion will be to reply to other people. So you want to do both parts to get full credit for the discussions, which are worth 25 points each week. The workshops, rather. And then each week almost, there will be a quiz. This week there's a syllabus quiz. Other weeks there will be just quiz 1, quiz 2, etc. And for now, that's a good introduction to the course. If you have any questions, you can always go to your inbox, go up to the Compose icon, select the right course. It's going to be only one for you, so it'll be easier to find. Select who you want it to go. If you want it to go to me, select Teachers, Stephen Davis, and then email me. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will look forward to meeting you all in the workshop number 1 this week. Bye.